Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Vellabox, so let's get in and see what I have in here. If you are new to Vellabox, Vellabox is an artisan candle sourcing company, technically. Vellabox works with artisan candle makers to make different candles for the box every month. They are clean. And that is probably, they're great scents. They're pretty candles. That's all wonderful, but they're clean. So you don't have to worry about what you're breathing in when they're burning. They are not made with paraffin. They don't use phthalate in their scents. They just have to be clean candles. And each month they work with a different candle company. And this was sent to me for review, but like I always say, the best part of that is, since we do this on the channel, they gave me a code, Kathrin 50. And when you go over and sign up, they will give you 50% off your first box of your subscription. And they have 3 different sizes starting at $12. This is the largest. They have 2 smaller ones. They smell so good. I have not had a dud yet. I have loved every single one of them. I want to put a new one here so bad. I almost can't stand it. And it's almost gone. It's almost gone. But I won't waste a drop. I will not. I will not waste a drop. And I only light this one when I come up here and tape, so it doesn't stay lit enough to be going through it. I'm rolling through them downstairs, but I'm ready for a new one up here. So this one says fall, and when you go on and sign up, you will fill out a survey, and they will ask you some very specific questions about scents that you like. And then they will ask you if you like seasonal candles. So as we get into the season like we are in now, you can get the fall seasonal scents, the winter seasonal scents. The top of this says fall, the time when everything bursts with its last beauty as if nature had been saving up for the grand finale. And then they also give us their Spotify list. And this one says, listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. Play our Autumn Nights playlist on Spotify. So when we take it out, we will have our candle. It always comes in this nice canvasy bag. You will have a bonus item in there. Ooh, it's a roller ball. I love that. And then a little sheet that will tell us a little bit about both of the people, the person who made the candle and our bonus item. These are such nice heavy bags, and I have been saving them up, and in some of them I have Lush, because, you know, I've told you guys I like to put my scented Lush things in here and put these in drawers because it makes everything smell good. But I have others that I haven't used. And how cute would this be with just, you know, like if you gave somebody a gift card with, I think that this is going to have so many uses. Anyway. Oh, this is pretty. Last Harvest. Small batch soy candles creating soulful or soulful. I like that better. Creating soulful moments. And it is a 16-ounce candle. And that is what it looks like. We'll see what I think it smells like before we read about it, so I can see if I can guess any of the scents correctly. It's like the worst game on YouTube. What will Kathrin guess it smells like? Oh, heaven. Apple. This is so fall. Apple and crunchy leaves, maybe a little bit of cinnamon. Oh, this is, I want to get up right now, go downstairs, put this in my kitchen and light it. It is heavenly. This is one of the candles. I started having to do this years ago. This is one of the candles that, like, if I got home from work before my husband and I would light a candle, I would basically be having to make the announcement when he came in through the door if I was burning one of my gourmand candles. It's just a candle, babe. Because he would think I was cooking whatever the candle I was using has. Cinnamon rolls, lemon cake, chocolate chip cookies. He thought whatever the smell was should be associated with food. That is not an unfair assumption, but it is a wrong one. This will have that same, are you making an apple crisp? All right, let's see what they think it smells like. I just jumped right into this and skipped right over the bonus item. We'll go back for that in a second. The company is Soul and Roots, and it says, with the intention of helping you escape from reality, Soul Roots Wax Company hopes to take you back to the special moment in time, making emotional connections with one sniff at a time. That is successful. That is gorgeous. They offer a variety of 100% American-grown soy wax, clean burning candles, and wax melts. From their heart to your nose, each candle is poured with love in small batches, free from paraffin, dyes, phthalates, and Prop 65 chemicals. And they say Last Harvest is sweet and spice. I tend to agree. Sweet apple, cinnamon, nailed it, cedar, and smoke. I don't know. That's probably what gives it its depth, but apples and cinnamon I for sure had. That smells heavenly. The orchards let off their last harvest of sweet, perfectly ripened apples, and suddenly we are deep into the fall season. It's time for apple pies, cobblers, tarts, and a candle that will make you crave all of the above. This is that candle. Referencing back to my husband will think that I'm making something really good, and it's still just a candle. I don't want to quit smelling it. I don't want to put the lid on it and quit smelling it. Okay, move on, Kathrin. It just smells so good. And I also like, by the way, and I never talk about it, their design, I love that you can put it anywhere. You can put it in your kitchen, you can put it in your bedroom. It's not going to interrupt whatever look aesthetic you have going on, whether it's clean lines or country or gothic or whatever. It's gonna go with everything. Okay, what is this? This is Solistic Root Relax Rollerball, amethyst infused. It is grapeseed, frankincense, lavender, and chamomile. Looking for a moment of zen? Ease your mind with this essential oil roller. The blend contains relaxing lavender, chamomile, sage, and geranium infused with amethyst for additional spiritual properties. Roll on your wrist, temples, and behind your neck or anywhere you desire. Keep at your desk or in your bag to support relaxation on the go. Make sure to keep it away from your eyes. Well, that sounded like a challenge. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. I mostly get the lavender, maybe a little bit of the geranium. I could see how that is totally relaxing. I just sprayed perfume on me from another video, so I'm not going to add this to it, but that is a really nice bonus item. I love this box. If you've been with the channel for a while, you know I love candles. And I won't say that I never ever... I was going to say, I won't say that I never ever burn a candle anymore that's not clean, that I don't have candles from other places. I absolutely do, but I have to tell you, I cannot say when the last time I burned one is. I really do stick with my Vellabox candles because I love knowing, like, if my grandkids come over, I'm not putting all of the toxins into the air. So I guess you don't need quotes. They are technically toxins. It's really good. I want to thank Vellabox for sending this over and you guys for coming over to watch it. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. If you have any questions with this, let me know down in the comments and I will help you if I can. And I will put the link down below, and with Kathrin 50, you will get 50% off your first box. That's a heck of a deal. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.